Today I am going to teach you number patterns of division. Standard 4. So how you will make your number patterns easy, how you will find the required answer for this children. This is of division. In division, all of you know, first number dividend, second number divisor, and just after equal to, that is your quotient. Now children, two questions given. See properly. In first question, all the dividends are same. Be careful children. Here you have to watch steps. What is going on? Dividend are same, but divisors are increasing. If your divisor increased, quotient will be decreased. डिवाइजर बढ़ेगा, कोशिएंट घटेगा. जितना ज़्यादा बड़ा बांटिएगा उतना ज़्यादा छोटा होगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो हियर इज डिवाइजर इज 2, 20, 200, 2000, 20,000 and 2 lakh. This side given blanks. Then now how you will find easily for this all the quotient write like this. Clear? Now see children, here is 4 lakh, here is 40,000. Quotient is decreasing, no doubt. But how many times decreasing? Because this is number patterns of division. So how many times decreasing? So I think what is difference between this and this? Only of 1 0. So 1 0 means difference 10. So this is decreasing 10 times divided by 10. If 4 lakh divided by 10, this is 40,000. Now you get pattern. Oh, 10 times we have to divide to get the required answer. So same pattern you have to use till last. So again you have to do this 10 divided by 10. Now if you divide 40,000 by 10, only you have to hide one digit. So this will be 4,000. This will be 4,000. Now same pattern you have to repeat again and again till the end. Now again divide by 10. Again 1 0 cancel, so this will be 400. Now same pattern you have to follow here. Divide by 10, 1 0 cancel, this will be 40. Already given. So your answer also matched. That means you are going on positive way. You are going in correct way. And then same pattern you have to follow here. Divide by 10. Now 40 divided by 10, 0 0 cancel, so this will be 4. Now pattern is clear and you can write. So here you can write 4,000, here you can write 400, and here you can write 4. See children, in first question divisor is increasing, so your quotient is decreasing. In second question, all divisors are same, but what is going on? Your dividend is decreasing. Your dividend is decreasing. That means your answer also decreased. So here 50,000, 5,000. So first of all write this in this way and see this. What is difference between first number and second number? Only of 1 0. 1 0 is reducing. So 1 0 is reducing means pattern is divide by 10. So if the first pattern divide by 10, second pattern same divide by 10. Now 1 0 1 0 cancel, this will be 500. Again same pattern divide by 10, this will be 50. Again same pattern divide by 10, so this will be 5. Now from this side 5 10 ja multiply, and from this side divide by 10. 10 times number is decreasing, and from right to left 10 times numbers are increasing. In same way this. So here it is very clear कि what is increasing, what is decreasing. Children, you know कि if your divisor will be increased, ज़्यादा बटेगा तो आंसर छोटा होगा, ज़्यादा बढ़ते गया आंसर छोटा होते गया, कोशिएंट रिड्यूस्ड. हियर डिवाइजर इज सेम, डिवीजन सेम हो रहा है, बट डिविडेंड डिक्रीजिंग. तो इफ डिविडेंड डिक्रीजिंग, that means your quotient also will be decreased. So in this way you can find the number patterns of division. Okay. So here you can fill your answer. Here is 500, here is 50, here is 5. That's all, children. Thank you.